Well, this incident in Duhaney Park, where someone was actually killed too, this was about 9:25 a.m. A group of persons was at the location when what we picked up, a lone gunman came there, opened gunfire. It was a off-duty policeman who there saw what was happening, and this gunman also challenged the police, and there was an exchange of gunfire. After the shooting subsided, we would have discovered that 2 persons were actually shot and injured. They were taken to the hospital. One pronounced dead by the doctor, the other admitted in stable condition. Very early days also, but so far, responding to what happened, the police would have 1 person in custody, doing several investigations around these persons. Have obtained statements and also probing possible DNA aspect of this person to see if it can advance in bringing some form of closure. We're not able to say yet the motive behind this activity, but based on the initial investigation, we actually seen that the possibility that the perpetrator could have been from the New Haven area, that also we have seen some increased activities in also. The Kareem Mills, OC Deafy boy, whom is a person of interest in this murder this morning. We're asking him to turn himself to us so we can advance some investigation around this issue, because he is one of the players that is causing some degree of anxiety amongst the citizens in that area. And also, we are anxious also from the law enforcement agents aspect to see him and speak with him in terms of bringing in some closure to this thing. We actually know that Anthony Reynolds, OC son, who is actually wanted by us for the murder of that young female child that was killed also. He is also giving us some issues in that area. He was not apprehended as yet, and he's still out there creating mayhem. So we're actually pursuing him and would love for him to turn himself in so we can bring some closure and let him have his day in the court.